you're probably using AI wrong. And that's why it feels average. Not because AI is weak, but because of how you use it. You ask one question, get one answer, and stop there. That's not how AI works. That's where you're losing its power. I used to do this too. And honestly, it felt useless after a point. One question. One answer. Done. That's not a system.
AI is not a tool. It's a system. And systems need structure. Let me show you the difference. Give me content ideas. Act like a viral strategist. Create 5 short video ideas on psychology. Now notice what's happening. Random input gives average output, whereas system input provides better output.
Same AI.
But now it's actually working with you. Not just answering you. Most people use AI once. Smart people build with it. If you start using AI like this, you'll never go back. Comment system. I'll share more like this. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned for more updates.